Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Xano for no-code backend building, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Xano, which is xano.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the Xano homepage. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Xano account in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on the Login button. After clicking, wait for a moment as the system processes your login request. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your Xano dashboard. If you are redirected to a page indicating an error, recheck your email and password. In case you need to create a new account, return to the home page and click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to set up your new account if necessary. Once logged in, you can now start building your no-code backend in Xano. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.